Good afternoon and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen Office. I'm Chef Matthew, and I just got home a little while ago from Sacramento, Access Sacramento, from teaching a lighting and film class. I had 5 students. We like to keep the classes small. It was a good time, just over 3 hours. My throat got a little sore, from being sick, and unfortunately, I came home with a really bad headache. And like I always tell Robin, yes, I have taken something for the headache. It's starting to go away. I need to hydrate a little bit. I just decided to do the daily message for my office because I have no food to show. I'm not cooking tonight. Robin has something planned, I think. I don't know. She hasn't told me. She's actually taking a nap right now, and she has set an alarm. So Okay. So last night I prepared pork chile verde and a new recipe for Mexican rice for me. The chile verde ended up being wonderful. It was excellent. And I quote Robin, "It's better than restaurant." There were some changes I did in the preparation and cooking of the pork chile verde. I actually added some spices. I added some coriander, some thyme, and looking down at my list, and a smidget of cinnamon and a smidget of allspice. It really rounded out the flavor. Like I predicted yesterday, Robin opened the door, and the smell of the chile verde just blew her back. I did a new Mexican rice. I've been kind of on a quest for a Mexican rice recipe that I like. I'm not thrilled with the way it turned out, not because of the flavor, but because of the bite. I should have gone in with what my head was saying, and had just prepared the rice the way I normally do. Flavorful wise, it's very good in flavor. I did add some fresh chopped cilantro to the dish. It just kind of brightened it up a little bit. But it was overall taste wise, it's very good. The method, not so good. Both recipes are in the group. I have put those notes for both recipes with them. Again, I'm not cooking tonight. Tomorrow, actually, I got a pretty full week, and I'm going to kind of read you what I'm cooking next week. This is in no order. A Tuscan white bean soup, a slow-cooked salmon with butter, garlic, capers, and lemon, rice pilaf, and garlic herb carrots. The next meal is braised beef chuck with garlic, cream cheese, mashed potatoes. I'm making mashed potatoes. Cool. And asparagus. I'm not sure how I'm going to prepare the asparagus yet. I'll figure it out. The next dish is Parmesan pasta and peas. There's meat in this. It's a full meal. And the last dish is tortellini soup. This week's menu is actually very high on Italian sausage. There's 3 dishes that have Italian sausage in it. Cool. Helps save on the food bill a little bit. The soups, I'm only going to do one day of soups. If there's leftovers, it'd probably be just enough for Robin to take to the office. But I'm not making, 4 cup, 8, 9 cup soups this week. At least 3 of these dishes or meals are things that Robin has requested. I try to keep Robin in the menu choices. I hand her my wait list. If you don't know what my wait list is, it's a document that I have of recipes that I want to try. And I hand that list to Robin once a week or once every other week. And I says, here, please mark this up with things, because I'm always adding to it. Matter of fact, I need to update my wait list. Trip back and forth to Sacramento was actually a pretty breezy, easy. 50 one way is still pretty screwed up. I would have been home sooner, but that part of 50 is all boogered up with construction. Yeah, so I hope everybody has a good weekend. Oh, tomorrow, actually, let me step back. Tomorrow I'm probably going to do the Tuscan white bean soup. That's because it's on top of my list, and that's kind of in my brain. That's kind of where I'm going to go, because it's Sunday. It'd be actually probably be a good soup evening. So once we get all the shopping done tomorrow morning, and I'll pull my mise en place together, and I'll do my normal daily morning message. So have a great weekend. Eat great food. And as always, have fun cooking. Bye. Phenomena. Phenomena.